नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज का जो वीडियो है वो है रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो इक़्तिदार खान की तरफ से। एंड द क्वेश्चन इज़, क्या आप बता सकते हैं भूत प्रेतों के बारे में? व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ घोस्ट, व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पैरानॉर्मल, एंड व्हाट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट you guys to understand is that rather than getting into a place where you start getting scared, where you have all of the beliefs, you have all of the theories that come up either from the social media or the internet, there are ways to go and verify it. So there are proper processes. एक प्रोसेस मैं आप लोगों के साथ आज शेयर करने वाला हूँ। ओके, तो सबसे पहली चीज़ तो हम लोगों को ये समझ लेना चाहिए कि डेथ इज़ अ रियलिटी, हम सभी को पता रहना चाहिए। नाउ देर आर अ फ्यू रियलिटीज़, जैसे आप स्विम करते हैं तो यू विल हैव टू गेट इनटू वाटर, आपको शादी करनी है तो आपको एक ऐसा जीवन साथी ढूंढना पड़ेगा। सो देर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू डू सो दैट यू कैन गेट एन एक्सपीरियंस, ऑलराइट। डेथ इज एन एक्सपीरियंस विच यू हैव टू डू, but you cannot be living after that. So it's an experience which can be stored in your collective unconscious. I will explain the whole concept of conscious, subconscious, superconscious, unconscious and collective unconscious. So when we talk about psychology, हम जब मनोविज्ञान की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर मनोमय कोश होते हैं जिसके अंदर 3 तरीके के मन आते हैं, ठीक है। एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ईगो, या जो भी होता है, वॉट एवर डेफिनेशन यू वांट टू गिव, यू कुड गिव इट। अब यहाँ पर एक बात समझने की कोशिश ज़रूरी है हम लोगों के लिए कि दैट व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिजिकल बॉडी, योर फिजिकल बॉडी विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइप्स, विच मीन्स यू विल हैव अ थायराइड बॉडी टाइप, यू विल हैव अ pituitary body type, you will have an adrenal body type, and according to your body type you will have issues, right? So if you have a pituitary body type, you might be a person who has issues with your respiratory system, or you might or might not be having it. Again, if you have a thyroid body type, it simply means that your body would be of a specific kind of a structure. If you are an adrenal body type, you are a person who is more prone to stress, you will wake up at night. And when we talk about any kind of issues, there are so many people who wake up at night and they start feeling that it is happening because of some kind of a supernatural connection that they have, or it could be just because they have a weak adrenal gland. Now when it comes to anything that can be seen, जो भी हम चीज़ देख पाते हैं, anything that is visible, if you can see it, it is certainly more related to science, which means you can percolate it, you can correlate it with something that is more related to health, which is more related to your body itself, and that is where doshas come into picture, vata, pitta and kapha. Now we will keep it aside, but you need to understand this, right? We are also a storage unit, so other than healing our body, we are also a storage unit. So human beings, other than animals, what exactly is the difference between most of the things that are living in this world? So animals are also living sentient beings. The only difference over here is that they do not store a lot of things, which means they do not have a storage of data, which exactly is their family. They can connect with them as per their emotions go, but they do not have an Aadhaar card or anything like that, so they do not store information. Human beings have a specific type or a level of mind which can store something. Now those storages, because they can be certainly correlated, they can be extended birth after birth, and it is necessary. I will talk about it, why it is necessary, बात करूंगा मैं उसके बारे में. And because we can store a lot of memory, we have unlimited memory, it's been proven. There are so many people, like there are memory masters like Kevin Horsley, there are gurus like Acharya Mahapragya हैं और Acharya Tulsi हैं. So many people. Barry Long has put up a very good theory. Swami Vivekanand had a theory. परमहंस जी हैं, उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी थियरी रखी है. सो द रीजन फॉर मी टू कोट इट ओवर हियर इज दैट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव प्रूवन दैट यू हैव अनलिमिटेड मेमोरी. योर मेमोरी इज लिमिटलेस एंड यू स्टोर मेमोरी इन स्पेसिफिक प्लेसेस इनटू योर ब्रेन, व्हिच इज स्टोर्ड इन बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑफ light particles specifically. It has also been proven. So there is a proper neuroscience, there is a proper neuroplasticity. Just defining it, how you can go and rewire your brain, we do it ourselves, right? The reason I'm trying to explain it to you is that you need to understand that other than a hardware that you see over here, okay, there is a hardware that is connected. So you can see it, you can use your senses of seeing, you can use your auditory senses, you can use your olfactory senses, not while you're seeing me, but of course if you're meeting me, you would be able to use your olfactory senses. And of course, we can certainly go and feel each other, right? Even if you're sitting somewhere away from me, we can still feel each other. So there are so many people who are healers, okay, powerful healers who can feel people, despite the distance being, too large. So there are so many things which cannot be percolated or correlated just with the hardware. You have to have a software behind it, okay? ये आपको सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. And the software many a times can be something that can be easily decoded, right? Please understand this. Now this is just to make you understand. आप जब Gmail पे जाते हैं, अपना यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डालते हैं, and it allows you to go and connect to a server which is not on your system, okay? Gmail is not on your mobile, right? You are connecting on Facebook, you put in your username and password, you're connected to a data or a server which is not present on your phone. You connect it, right? So there are ways of encryption and decryption to go ahead and access memories, all right? And for that you need a software and you need a hardware, and that's exactly what we are over here. Your prana, your energy, your emotions, your knowledge, your wisdom, everything gets stored somewhere. And that's where, when we're talking about physical body, we're talking about doshas, vata, pitta, kapha. When we're talking about the ether body, the energy body, the subliminal body, whatever names you want to give it, it is stored in different sheets, okay? Those are called koshas. Here comes the picture that you need to understand. Here is where I will need your attention. So we have 5 different defined koshas. हमारे जो शरीर के अंदर, शरीर के आसपास और 5 अलग तरीके के कोश हैं. When I say kosh, they are also called annamaya or pranamaya or vijnanamaya. Now that maya, it simply means it is integrated, and the maya also means maya, okay, which means it cannot be seen. Please understand this. Annamaya kosha, विज्ञान माया कोश. माया जो वर्ड है, इसका मतलब ये है, आप इसको अपने इंटेंशन से या आप अपने परसेप्शन से या आप अपने इंटरप्रिटेशन से उसको डिफाइन करते हैं और उसको देखते हैं. सो माय अन्नमय कोशा वुड बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन द वे दैट आई हैव क्रेविंग्स फॉर फूड. माय विज्ञानमय कोशा वुड बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन माय एस्पिरेशंस फॉर नॉलेज. माय प्राणमय कोशा वुड सर्टेनली बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन हाउ माय चक्रास आर वर्किंग. Okay, my manomaya kosha would be certainly dependent on the way that I am subconsciously dependent on social media. So please understand, we have different storages, and to connect with those storages from internally, we have to have the decryption. So you have to have a habit so that you can encrypt and decrypt it. Encrypt and decrypt it so that you can also access it at a point of time that you need it. Till here, I suppose everything is understood. Yes, we will come to the main topic, which is ghost. I will certainly go and talk about it. Now, I hope everyone has understood the concept of koshas. So whatever you have to store, you store it somewhere, right? Why do you store it? So that you can access it any point of time, that you do not just are dependent on the hardware. Which means you have a phone, but still your phone does not have the kind of memory that it can access Facebook. You cannot go and access thousands of data, okay, because you will require a lot of storage, right, on maybe your phone or somewhere else. And that is why we have the internet to connect with it. In the same way, when we have to access a specific type of a memory without using the current hardware that we have, we go ahead and store it somewhere else, and we try to decrypt it, encrypt it. And that is where the auras come into picture. Auras are basically your protective sheets, okay, which try to go ahead and cover or protect the inner sheets or the inner koshas, the inner storage layers. You might call it layers. Now, coming to the main topic, right? Why do you do that? Simple reason is, there is a simple reason. Human beings have not just survived, we have evolved. We have evolved. We have a different kind of an intelligence. We were able to define taste. We were able to define color in different shades. We were able to define taste in different cuisines. We were able to define sounds in different frequencies. We were able to define, the mind levels or mind frequencies in different types of alpha, beta, theta, delta levels. Okay, so we are able to define. We are not just able to survive. We are able to evolve. And that evolution matters only when you have the data, so that you can always have a reference point. आपके पास एक reference point होना चाहिए, okay? जहाँ पर आपको पता लगे कि आपने इससे पहले ये गलती की है. That's how major inventions, major discoveries have been made. Every single person who has reached the highest peak of awareness, okay, it could be Muhammad, the Prophet Muhammad, it could be Sant Jabbar, it could be Rumi, or it could be Sadhguru, it could be Osho Rajneesh, it could be Swami Vivekananda, it could be Paramhans Yogananda, it could be anyone in the world. They have attained enlightenment in their own way. It could be Lao Tzu, it could be Rinzai, it could be any specific guru that you can think about. Acharya Tulsi, Acharya Mahapragya, ये जितने भी लोग हैं मैं जिनका नाम ले रहा हूं, इनकी अपनी एक कोशा थी, and that's what defines a flower. Okay, so the human being, when he flowers, he or she flowers, they can flower with their own emotions. It could be positive or negative. So psychos or psychopaths, they can also use their intelligence and they can clutter their layers, and we can store it right over there. When we try to store it, there are a few things that remain over there so that you can have a reference point. Coming to it, now let me tell you why do we need to have a reference point, so that we do not commit the same mistakes again and again. So you have samosas today, you know particularly well that you have samosas. It is high in, not just in calorie, it is heavy in oils. Okay, so you eat something which is a cheat diet. You should not be doing that again and again, but somewhere down the line you have that craving and you eat it despite knowing the consequences. That's where we lose our reference point. When we lose our reference point, we actually go ahead and lose all of the decryption related to connect with our layers, and then you are all physics. When you are all physics, your hardware, it can get corrupted in the next 8 to 9 days. So even after your body is completely dead, what do I mean by dead? Okay, science defines it as heart dead or brain dead. Okay, however, there have been instances where people have been able to come alive. ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो मरने के बाद भी कुछ घंटे के बाद उनका जो शरीर है, and it is almost called a near death experience. So body does not die, it is just the temperature of the body that falls rapidly. Okay, the energy, the prana, the soul is always connected. It is connected with a decryption link which is called a Rakta Rajju. There is a small light, okay, which is connected. Now depending on the kind of kosha that you have, you will have a center where your body will still be connected after you are dead. Now if you are someone who is always living, who is into the hare chare mare mentality, which means you wake up in the morning, you eat your food, you have your sex, you do all your social binging, you do your media binging, you sleep, you have zero goals. In that case, you will all be connected to the lower chakras, the lower energy points. You have zero credibility in the world. You do not have any frequencies that you can go ahead and decrypt it. Decrypt your layers, protect your layers. What will happen? Even though your body is dead, your energy stays that way. A normal human being is attached to his body for the first 4 to 5 days. The max that Hindu religion says is it can be attached to its body for the first 13 days. After 13 days or the first 13 or 9 days, you can connect with it by creating a Wi-Fi signal, and that signal is called the choti. So after a relative is dead, the person whom this person is very connected to, whom the ego is connected to, a son is called an ego point, right? मेरा नाम कौन चलाएगा, मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी? इसीलिए जो बेटा होता है घर का, उसके बाल काट दिए जाते हैं और उसको एक चोटी रखी जाती है. ट्रस्ट मी और नॉट, दिस इज बेसिकली अ पॉइंट जो हमारे ऑक्सीपिटल लोब को, योर ब्रेन हैज गॉट हायर कैपेबिलिटीज. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, योर ब्रेन इज केपेबल ऑफ सेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ सिग्नल्स. सो व्हेन यू कीप अ स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ अ टावर ऑन योर हेड, ओके, इट ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एक्ट्स लाइक अ टावर and it is trying to connect to the soul, and then it can go ahead and transmit all the signals. It has to transmit signals when you are ready to take it. Most of the times it is transmitted at a point of time where the earth's gravitation and magnetism, okay, the gravitation is at its lowest and magnetism is at its highest, and those are called the peak states. Those are the Brahma Muhurats. It is called the 3 to 5 a.m. shift. Okay, that's the point of time that your brain is working to the highest. Your brain is working to the highest, and your body is also at a lowest peak when resistances are concerned. So your logic brain is keeping quiet. You can see the best kind of dreams, you can make the best kind of decisions, you can read, you can write, you can have your focus. So accordingly those things will be communicated. So after you are dead, there is still a connection. Depending on the kind of your koshas, your layers, your energy, your soul, your kosha will still be connected to that dead body. Now, please understand this one specific thing. If you understand this whole logic will be more clear to you, right? So for the first 4, 5, 9 days, the body tries to connect with its physical layer, the dead body, the brain dead body, the heart dead body. Okay, the heart is not throbbing, the brain is dead, there is no respiration, and that is why science says, hey, insan mar gaya hai, this guy is dead or this person is dead. Yet you can connect with that person depending on the kind of sheaths that this person has. If this person is lying on a very low frequency, he will be only connected with his navel. After 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 or 13 days, 13 days is the max, that is what religion says. The civilization, even Egyptian civilizations have mentioned a specific time, okay, where they can go ahead and not just store the body, they can also connect with the soul. Okay, not just store the body, also connect with the ether energy, right? The layers, the sheaths. So this specific memory can still lie over there. Now coming to the koshas. If you have a weak kosha, you would still be connected to your navel. And after 13 days, there is always so many people in the world who are having a good conjugal life, okay, and they will give birth. This will be a weak soul giving birth to a weaker soul. Understand this concept. So everyone around you, if you see that there is कलयुग, कलयुग का मतलब ये होता है लोगों को सिर्फ खाने पीने और संभोग करने के अलावा और कुछ नहीं नजर आएगा. उसके अंदर लोग केवल झगड़ा करेंगे, खाएंगे पिएंगे मरेंगे, और एक छोटी वीक एनर्जी है, एक छोटा वीक एक आत्मा है, वो निकलेगी अपने शरीर से और दूसरी छोटी आत्मा है उसके अंदर अनकॉन्शियसली चली जाएगी. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एन ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस. यूजर नेम पासवर्ड आपके ब्राउजर पे स्टोर्ड था, बस ब्राउजर पे गए, आपने अपने जो मेल है उसके आइकन पे क्लिक किया और आप अपने मेल खोल दीजिए. नो स्ट्रगल ओवर देयर, नो पेन, नो पॉइंट ऑफ इवोल्यूशन. एंड देन देयर आर पीपल हु वांट टू गो एंड इन्वेस्ट देयर टाइम, want to invest their time into studying, want to invest their time into compassion, kindness. कई लोग हैं जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. कई लोग हैं जो मांस मीट मच्छी छोड़ देते हैं. They are away from animal meat. What happens? Their energy starts rising. They are able to use their emotions in a completely different sense. And when they start using it, they are at a higher level, which means for the first time they are at a place where they can not just access their layers consciously or subconsciously, they are able to create a link between this birth, this current birth and the next birth. Anyone who can connect it will certainly be able to go ahead and use their sheets, and they will be able to do all of the reference point in the point of time that they have left their body. They will use that point when they can communicate it. The same thing happens with people who also think a lot of negative things. So if a person is dying out of accident, okay, he just does not know. He or she will take a lot of time just to understand that he or she doesn't have a body. Accidentally उनका शरीर जो है निकल गया है, उनको पता नहीं, उनको पता चलता है उसके बाद वो जो प्लस और माइनस रहता है कि किस वजह से हुआ मुझे ये. अचानक से अर्थक्वेक हुआ था. There are so many people who are dead and you really don't know, and the souls also do not know that they needed to go ahead and get transported to a different womb. They are not ready to do that. They don't even know that they are dead. If they are dead and they know it, that the body is no more, and that is the reason Hindus burn the body, so that there is no link. कट कर दीजिए. अभी आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन था आपने बोल दिया, आपका पितृ हो गया, आपका श्राद्ध हो गया है, निकल जाइए आप. You have a different journey now. We have burnt you. Please go ahead and start with your journey. Now, if there are any communicational links, that person who is without the body will try to look out for another body which is more reciprocative. And that's where the whole concept of ghost paranormal comes into picture. The longer the ghost stays or the longer this person stays, the better is their kosha. Whatever, if they have a very strong kosha, they have a very weak kosha, the higher is their negativity, the more devilish they become. So it's a kind of a level. There are frequencies. After you go ahead and cross your body, there are different frequencies. even in the space, the layer that you see above your head and the layer that you see below your body has got different layers. Okay, these layers are defined by frequencies, and there are ways to define it. There are frequency meters, there are tapometers that can go ahead and measure everything. ये सब कुछ चीज आपको पता चल जाएगी, आपको केवल देखना है. In water too, deep waters, आपको पता होगा, if you've been to any villages, most of the villages in India, if you go to villages and if you see a well, that well has got a spooky feeling. Why? Because this is stagnant water, it's not flowing water. It is a water which will have a lot of energy. If someone has committed suicide over there, you will feel that in the water, because that energy is not ready to leave. Those koshas are right over there and you can feel those koshas. Because it is exactly the same way that if you take your phone and if you turn on the Wi-Fi, you'd be able to connect to most of the Wi-Fis which are open. Understand this very, very clearly, and all your logic, all your questions would be answered in just this specific session. I've spoken about everything. After you are dead, there is a specific point of time that you can still connect with the body. There can be people who can connect with you. Okay, there are ways to do that. We will do a completely different session on that. There is a proper process to connect with people. Different religions, different civilizations have different methods. Okay, so Jainas have a different method. Okay, Parsis have a different method. Egyptians have a different methods. Islam has got a different view, a different perspective, completely different perspective. Sufis have followed that method. Okay, and it's a completely deep stream of knowledge. We should not be getting scared, rather than we should be embracing this knowledge. हम सभी लोगों को ये जो हमारे सामने है, ये इतना बड़ा हमारे सामने खजाना है. We have this whole this complete treasure, unlimited treasure of ancient wisdom. It's all right there before us and we need to use it. उपनिषदों में लिखा गया है. There are so many ways to do that. Tantra is a complete science to make you connect, or to make you connect with your past births, and to make you connect and create a link, to create a setu or a bridge with your next birth. Tibet के अंदर पूरा एक तरीका है. There is a complete science in Tibet to go ahead and connect yourselves. Even if you die, there are mantras just so that you can connect. What exactly happens when you start chanting mantras? These mantras have been already chanted by so many people. So they have already created a sheet. They have created a different kind of a layer. So as soon as you go ahead and start chanting those mantras, what are you doing? हनुमान चालीसा आप जब गाते हैं तो होता क्या है भाई? होता क्या है? Encryption and decryption. You are actually connected. You are actually connected, and it goes in and protects your sheet. Your intention sheet should be clear, and you should be able to connect it anywhere. Your intention, your interpretation, and your faith is what goes ahead and makes a lot of changes. Remember this one small thing. Everything starts with your courage, and everything starts with an observant mind. If you are an observant person, you should be able to change a lot of things, right? Now, coming to the last point, is it possible to connect with dead people? Yes, it is certainly possible. It is not necessary that this person is already taken birth somewhere else. Okay. If this person has got aspirations, dreams, if he has got something to say, he will still stay over there. He or she will certainly come back, and they will certainly give you all the signals. So you will start seeing shadows. Okay, you will start feeling things. There are a lot many things that will happen. Now trust me, most of the people, they can imagine a lot of things, and for that you need to confirm on a lot of things before you verify that a person is trying to communicate with you. Normally people get scared unnecessarily without even having a proper verification. So there are ways to connect with people who are dead. Okay, there are different levels that you can communicate with. Human beings, when they are dead, they belong to a specific type of a frequency, and we have different, just the way that we have animals, they have their own frequency. In the same way, there are different other beings also. Okay, so there is khabis, there is jinnas, and there are devils, डिबुक्स होते हैं, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, यक्ष हैं. So there are different types of levels. There are different types of realms. Okay, just the way that there are domains. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, there are domains. Whatever we have on the internet are domains, and the domains belong to a specific location. The locations belong to a specific realm. In the same way, human beings are not the only thing that die. There are too many things and there are too many layers in the world, and you should be able to do that only with the help of meditation. First thing that you will have to develop is, please understand this, anywhere in any specific civilization, anywhere that there is this kind of a knowledge, the only thing that is needed is focus, and that is something that is very rare today. People are always on social media, people are so digitally distracted. This is the age which has got the highest the highest ratio of digital distraction. People have everything else in their life, okay, other than focus. Focus is a very rare trait, a very rare characteristic that you will find in people. As soon as you start increasing your focus, you should be able to tap with all of those energies that I'm talking about. Remember that when you try to connect with people, always remember your sheath stronger. There are ways to do that. You can keep your layers, you can keep your auras very strong. There are ways to do that, as I told you before, okay. And once you do that, there are mantras to go and keep you strong. There are mantras to keep your layers or your koshas very strong, protected. You can go anywhere, okay. Now if we have the time, and in case you guys have any questions, please go ahead and put them up on the comment box. I will surely go ahead and love to share all my experiences, but I will wait for people. If they want me to talk about it, I'll certainly go ahead and talk about it. I remember this is a question that has been raised by इक़्तिदार खान ने मुझे ये सवाल पूछा था, और it was necessary from my side कि मैं आप लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ें बताऊं, ठीक है. सो ये था मेरी जानकारी के हिसाब से. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव अ डिफरेंट सोर्स. तो जब मैंने बुलाया था तो मैंने भी एक स्पेसिफिक मंत्र ही यूज़ किया था. आई हैव यूज्ड ऑलमोस्ट 3 or 4 मेथड्स. मैंने अपनी तरफ से आई हैव यूज्ड 3 or 4 मेथड्स. द वन दैट आई वाज यूजिंग वाज आमंत्रण विधि. The first one that I had used was an Nimantran Vidhi, whereby you call ghosts. Okay, the second one that I used was an Amantran Vidhi, whereby it is called an invitation. तो आप invite करते हैं किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ के ऊपर, then you associate it with those things. And Amantran Vidhi is very tedious, and it can be very risky also, because Amantran Vidhi simply means that you can call that specific foreign entity, but when it comes, it is up to that foreign entity or the ghost or that body or the soul to go back. Okay, it goes back as per its own accord. So yes, there are different ways also. So when it comes, you can go ahead and connect with them, and yes, there are proper verification processes, and there is a mirror way to do that. So you stand before a mirror, and once those things start coming, you will be seeing a lot of changes into the shadow. Yes, there are so many things that you will be able to do, and you will be able to verify. So yes, there are methods, and you guys are always welcome to ask me about those methods. 5 different methods are used. I have used I have used all of those 5 methods. There are more methods, however, I haven't used those other methods. I will surely go ahead and talk about it. Depending on the kind of audience that we have, I will go ahead and share information, right? So आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. This is a very long session. I know ये session बहुत लंबा चला गया. And any questions, any comments, you are welcome to ask me. I want this to be a place whereby we communicate with each other. We try to have all the information that's needed. Okay, मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोगों के पास ये information अच्छी तरह से पहुँचे. Rather than being scared, be courageous, be fearless, be observant, be focused. Okay, so this is all about me. My intention is to make you more informed and over deliver as always. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर मिलूंगा मैं आप लोगों से. थैंक यू. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.